I'm currently not working right now, and it seems like this will be a better time for me to get into something like this to generate some income, and then it wouldn't be full time. I could do it part time.
I own a limousine service, so I've kind of been building up over the last 3 years. I graduated 3 years ago, started right when I graduated, and more and more so I have more of my own free time because I have my own secretary. She answers the phones the majority of the amount of time, so I have a lot of time during the week where I can devote it to something like this.
My husband has worked all of his life to support our family, and I've worked off and on, and my husband retired just a few years ago, and I just really had always been interested in stocks and the stock market, and I thought, what better time could it be than now to take charge of our finances?
I don't like this because it's a lot of like color movement. Yeah. If you don't want this, all you have to do is just do that.
Never had done day trading. Just to hear the term day trader, it was sort of like a questionable thing to do.
I plan on getting to the point where I don't have to work for anyone or work for a salary.
I enjoy adrenaline, kind of fast-moving things, so it always kind of drew me to the market.
We talked about parabolic activity. Look at those last two candles on Guild. I mean, price went straight down for two candles. So
usually it's gonna correct.
Yeah, I mean, when this does correct, it's going to be quick. So you don't want to be towards the end of the line. So at some point, you got to say, you know what? I'm up $1.50 on this trade. Let me just take that check to the bank and don't worry about some crumbs on the plate. A good trader is really just a couple of things. Those who are willing to work hard at this business, this entrepreneurship of trading, and additionally, those that are willing to be disciplined and manage risk. Those are the only common undercurrents that I've been able to find. So other than that, I think anybody is capable of doing it.
And there's a lot of misinformation out there as far as what it takes to be a successful investor or trader. And Wall Street has set people up to think that there's certain techniques, and really what happens is they've told people what they need to do so they can act against them. And so Wall Street is basically designed to extract money from retail investors and retail traders, and that's what they do every day. And so what we do is help our students understand that that's how the system is set up, and they can take advantage of these opportunities once they spot them.
You don't need that high volatility because, as you already told me, it can take it away just as fast.
So
now you're starting to get some selling pressure, heading back down. See if it can break that support of that candle. If it goes through, then be patient. You're probably heading down to 30. We still need the overall market to roll over as well. So be patient and use all the tools together. Remember, patience, Mark. Doug, you all right?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. What we really promote with our trader education is risk management, and a big function of that is patience and discipline in the marketplace. The market wants to elicit emotional responses in people, getting people to participate in these big moves. And one of the first things I'll tell beginners is, if you miss a big move, no problem. All you've missed is an opportunity. It's far better to miss an opportunity than to be late into the market and lose money or take excessive risks. So a missed opportunity is merely that, and a missed opportunity is not the same as losing money in the market.
I will say I did think it was risky coming in. I looked at it as a form of gambling. But as Cal and others have explained to me, it's not as risky, or it's not a gambling form if you understand the whole concept. If you understand the ideologies and the theories, you're actually mitigating your risk.
I think everybody goes at their own speed, and I'm the type person that chooses to be slow and diligent, and I would probably move a little bit slower than most people. Lots of people just like to learn a little bit and dive in and start trading. I actually want to learn the whole scope and get it mastered and feel like I've got a good grip on it before I dive in and start trading, because at this point in life, managing the risk is what's really important.
The good thing about a trader is you can make money when it's going down and you can make money when it's going up. So it doesn't necessarily, stock market could crash and you could still make money doing it. I mean, I'm not confident that the market's going to keep going up over the next couple of years. I mean, everybody's very unsure of what's going on with the world and with the United States and with printing money and the value of the dollar and everything else. But like I said, if I was an investor, I wouldn't be in the market. I don't think I would. I mean, I don't see it going up a whole lot more than it is right now. But as a stock trader, like I said, the advantage is you can make money when it's going down and you can make money when it's going back up.
There's some people that they're in the market to make as much money as they can, but most people, and most of our students, are people that trade 2 hours a day, 2 hours a week, a couple hours a month, and then they make the money they need, and then they spend the rest of their time doing exactly what they want. They may be still working, they may be spending more time with their kids or their grandkids, but really the trader lifestyle is giving people freedom and giving them time back, and that's the most valuable thing for people. You know, money you can find. Time is the hardest thing right now for most people, and that's what we can help people find, is recapture their time.